Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and as promised, we are going to preview the punch board by We Are Memory Keepers that makes gift bags. So I picked this up at Tuesday morning, and it's in my Tuesday morning haul from earlier, and this is a $24.99 estimated retail with, sorry about the light, with I paid a Tuesday morning price of $9.99, so it's quite a savings, and it's item number 2004136. Now, if you saw the video, you saw me test out the pom-pom maker to see how it worked, and we made a large pom-pom. We made this one, which is adorable, cute little pom-pom. So I wanted to try it again with some different yarn. And just so you know, it works every time. So this is the cute, this is the large, so it's not like huge, but it makes adorable pom-poms. So let's see, make sure I'm in frame. And I left the strings on this one, the yarn, so that I could tie it. Anyway, adorable pom-pom maker was only $3.99 at Tuesday morning. And I know some of you have already commented you either had it, you were surprised it worked so well, or you hadn't tried it yet and you wanted to rush down to Tuesday morning to get you one. So anyway, this is We Are Memory Keepers as well. The value, retail value is $7.99. The Tuesday morning price $3.99, which is a great deal, and the item number 1965809. So let's try out the gift bag maker. So just going over the packaging, there is a multi-language instruction sheet inside, which we'll be opening. It's easy to use, you just punch and score. So we're gonna see how that works. And then we can use any paper and customize it into gift bags of various sizes. So there's a small, medium, and large setting on this. You get a storage compartment for your scoring tool. And then it also says that you can create fold tabs and ribbon holes with the two-way punch. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your punch. This is your punch board. It has a reverse punch for the holes for your ribbon. This is your punch. It punches the tabs for your bags, as you can see here, to fold in for the bottom of your bag. On your punch board, it has a horizontal score line. It also has your side score line and your small, medium, large. Additionally, for the side, you have your triangle score, and then this is your start line. This is your scoring tool, which fits in here for storage. Okay? Okay, I have to be honest. The instructions are not as clear as I think I would like, but we're going to give it a whirl. I have taken a piece of paper. This is from Anna Griffin's Blythe paper pad. I did pick this up at Tuesday morning sometime back. So if you can find it there, you'll find a really great deal. But anyway, so I've got my paper, and I think I've got this maybe understand. My paper cut 12 inches by 6 inches. We'll see how that goes. I think that would be a good size. You know, this is it's considered medium, I guess. So we're gonna, it looks small to me, but I don't know. I guess it just depends on the width you want your bag to be. So, and then depending on the height you want your bag to be with the amount of paper. But because the scoring tool is, and this punch board is a little smaller, and I'm trying to video, I wanted to make sure to have it on here for you. So let's give it a try. So right here is the start line. So we'll be using that a lot. We'll be using the scoring here along this triangle and this horizontal, as well as small, medium, large. And then your side score is here. Okay, so for me, I want the top to be down here. So, and they're not real clear on that either. So when I want it to stand up, I want it to be like this. So I need to punch the bottom, because the bottom is actually going to be what we fold in for the bottom of our bag. So the first thing that you're supposed to do, and instructions are also here on the punch board itself. So the first thing that you want to do is line up your paper with the start line here. Okay, so we line up with the start line and we punch. So we punch, oops. Okay, so we punch. And then once we've punched the paper, you have to press firmly. We score the horizontal line here, which is here. You can see horizontal, so we score that here. Then we choose small, medium, or large. I'm just gonna do small. I don't know if that's right. We're just gonna choose small. Okay, so this is the small line here. Then we're gonna shift the paper to the left. From our small medium line, we line that up here on the start line, and then we punch again. Okay. Now once we've punched again, we're going to score this horizontal line again. Then we're going to score the triangle, which has score lines. We're going to score here. Oop. And then we're going to score this side line here. Okay? Not the small, but the side. Okay. All right. Now we shift the paper to the left and we line up with the side line on the start line. Okay, so we've lined that up and we punch. Okay. Now we start back over and we do the horizontal line here and the small line. Okay. Then we move our paper over to where we lined up the small line on our start line and we punch. Then we score the horizontal line. Now we're scoring the other side. Okay, so remember you're scoring the side this time. I'm not scoring very well. All right. Then we move it over once more on our side line here. We line it up with the start and we punch. Okay, this is our tab. So we're going to trim our tab here. And I don't know if we need to trim that or not, so we'll just leave it. All right, then we need to score our sides. Or let's score this side. All right. Okay, so I think our cute little bag is coming together. All right, so we're going to score all of our edges. So score your bottom here. And scoring wrong side in, whichever your inside's going to be, is what you want to do. You can see how your holes line up, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is our tab here. So that's going to go on the inside, and I could cut that off if I need to, so we'll see. All right, so so we would take our adhesive, whichever kind of adhesive you want to use, and you apply it to the front of your tab, which I did not trim that, so I guess I need to trim that. Okay, so the front of my tab here, and then so you want to fold your bag on itself like this to adhere it together. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Look at that. And then you want to fold in your little bottom. Oh, goody. This is something else. Okay, so I'm going to put my adhesive on here. Which to me, I think it would be easier to put it on before, but all right. All right. So I'm going to do this. Oops. Now, I would put a stronger adhesive than this, depending on what you're going to be putting in your little bag. But here's our little bag. We made a small bag. I feel so accomplished. Now, if you want to, you can, I would definitely use double stick tape or something stronger than this, especially if you're going to have very much weight in here. But then you can take your ribbon and weave it through the holes to be able to have handles for your bags. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so here's our cute little gift bag. You can see there's holes on the side too. I guess you could choose or not. We've got our adhesive here. I've added some ribbon for handles. And then a little tissue paper so you can see what it looks like. Turned out really cute. It takes a little bit to get used to how the process works, but once you play with it, I think you'd be happy with it. So, good luck using the We Are Memory Keepers gift bag punch board. And let me know how you do. I'd love to see your pictures. You can share them on Instagram with me, Cindy_A_Lewis. I'd love to see your pictures, or on Facebook, Cindy A. Lewis. And I'd love to see it. I hope I've inspired you to create, and maybe I'll make some more bags and post some pictures on my Instagram. So thanks for joining me. I hope I've inspired you to create. Have a great day. Okay, so I did a few more bags with the bag maker, and I've gotten a little more skilled at it from using it a couple of times. I made this as a small, so I used a 6 by 10 inch piece of scrapbook paper to put this little bag together. So that's that. And this one is the medium. And you can see they're pretty close to the same, except for this is a little bit wider, you can tell. And it is taller because I used an 8 by 12 sheet. So it depends on your length of paper and what you choose to use. I also found that you can punch the holes in and wrap your ribbon around and make it a closed bag like that. These would be great for custom party bags or treat bags for birthdays or weddings. In my mind, I imagined like a gift bag that you buy at the dollar store or something. But these are more to customize the smaller treat type bag in my mind. Now this one is the large bag. And And I had a little bit more trouble with this one only because I used a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You can see that they're still about the same width. You want to look at the width here, about the same. The height is based on the sheet of paper that you use, width and height, but also you have a different, like large, small, medium, large here on your scoring board. So you can see though that it's about the same. It's just because of the width and length of the paper that I chose. Now, I think they're adorable. I think they would be great for weddings, birthdays, special presents for someone that you may have in mind. I'm trying to get these in frame really for you guys. And I think they're adorable. I used the Anna Griffin paper pad called Blythe. These are all Anna Griffin papers, and they look really beautiful. They are cardstock, not scrapbook paper. And I wouldn't advise using scrapbook paper unless you're really, really careful. And what I also had trouble with on the large was because the scoring pad is short, 12 is going to go way off. And so you have trouble scoring a little bit because of the length. So anyway, great purchase. I think you would want to practice with it a little bit, and then maybe you'd be inspired to create some gift bags with the We Are Memory Keepers gift bag punch board. So I would love to see your pictures if you make some, and put them on my Instagram and tag me, and that's Cindy_A_Lewis. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will be back with you for another one in the future.